We need to make a list.
Not even an intro, like hey or nothing?
Hey guys, what's going on?
Let's try this again. Take 2.
Hey guys, how's it going? We are 2 weeks out. So we haven't explained this yet. We've dropped a couple of hints, but we are going on a trip. We are taking our unfinished van on a trip in 2 weeks.
That means we have a lot to get done. Because what you guys have seen so far is not ready for any kind of trip. You don't have a bed, you don't have a sink, you don't have any cabinets.
Okay, so that's a good point. That's a good segue. We need to make a list. And we need to start checking off, priority of the list is at the top, and the stuff that we can manage later on at the bottom of the list.
Our focus is basically, at this point, to be road trip ready.
Road trip ready.
So that's our goal.
There's still so much work to do.
So much work.
That was painful.
Looked painful.
Hope the rest go a little easier than that. First piece of flooring. If it'll fit.
Shimmy it in there.
How's it look? We're done. Definitely gonna need a fan. So we're using the Allure grip strip sold at Home Depot. This is completely waterproof, and I think it's gonna be perfect for the van.
So the floor is looking awesome. Most importantly is that we're gonna get to the edge here and it's gonna be a perfect fit. All we have to do is just cut this little piece off. So excited.
About 90% there. I've got some more things to do back here in the back with the outdoor shower and the fill. But this is all pretty much here. I need to button up a couple of small pieces that are back there and then do all the plumbing for this, and that portion of it would be done. Got all our trim up, and now we're ready to do our first cutting of our countertop. All right, lift that up, put it in the... I'll lift it.
But you're on the line. And final test. Woohoo! Alright. Beautiful.
Very cool.
Perfect. Good.
Yeah.
Finally got it cut correct. You know the door shuts properly. Look at it. It's beautiful. So we'll have our cooktop here, and then Brad's gonna drop in our spigot here, and we'll drop into our ginormous sink. Let's mark that off.
Shower? Oh, we're not done with that yet.
Sink's up top. Sink's up top. That is a good idea. How are you going to secure that?
That's all she's gonna do. Some green. That's what's important. That was it. That was the last task that needed to be done for plumbing to be finished. Outside of the shower, which we won't have done for this trip, we are finished with plumbing. Just gotta test it. That will come after I get electrical done. But it's on its way as well. So yes, we're really close on electrical. We're really close on drawers. I don't think we're gonna have doors done before we go, which is not a huge issue. Showers, I've no effing way.
We definitely need doors.
Look, no bed, no go. And right now we're 1 week out and we don't have a bed. Right now, I don't have electrical hooked up. That's a no-go.
Well, we definitely need.
There's no sense in taking the van if we don't have electrical.
What's that?
I mean, there's no point in taking the van if we don't have a bed. We're gonna sleep on the floor?
Daisy said so.
I don't know, guys. This is not looking good. I'm just not sure if we're gonna be able to make this trip or not. We may have been having to drive one of our vehicles, or I don't know. I guess we'll see you next week.